Hey guys, so today UNBOXERKID back with a Fire Stick, the new unboxing of a Fire Stick TV. And what this is, it comes with an Alexa voice remote and it's from Amazon. So what's included is a Amazon Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable, which is this right here. And what's needed is high-speed internet with Wi-Fi and a nice HDMI TV. So all you need is an HDMI TV to connect it. So what you can use for controlling it, to open Alexa, which is included in this 2nd generation, you hold this microphone button and it opens up Alexa. Also, it has Dolby audio. It uses 802.11 ANC, which is cool. It doesn't use A and B. And it also has HD screen, which is 1080p. And then they also have a quad-core processor. So here are some items Here are some things you can ask your Alexa remotes, like find comedies or rewind 30 seconds on my TV, or play Game of Doors. So let's get right into the box. So what you have here is this pull tab to pull and rip open, and just pull it open. Now I can just open up the box. As you see in here, you have a little pull tab to pull out the device. So, pulling out the device for the first time. This feels like a good cardboard. And what's included is Fire Stick, the manual, welcome to Fire Stick, and also there is the charger right here for your remote. The AAA batteries are right here. We have the power adapter, which is the same Amazon, as you know. And here is the remote. The remote is the microphone button to access Alexa. So, and also here would be your connection piece, which this is the piece that you need to connect to the wall. So connect this part into your TV's HDMI port and use this charger that's right here to start. So you plug this into the side and then you start using it by plugging it into the TV also. Then to power it up for the first time, you just insert the batteries and click this to turn it on, the microphone, hold it to turn it on for the first time. And then after that, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you want more like this and like the video.